Hey guys, what's up? Today we're doing a nose wax and I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how I like to do it. So first I like to kind of analyze and gauge the size of the nostril before getting the wax so that I don't pick up too much or too little. We're going to be using the Sexy Smooth Tickled Pink Wax, guys. We're going to do one nostril at a time so your clients can breathe. Open that up, go in, twirl, 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 up, down, and pinch. Okay, doing that and make sure that the wax touches all around the nose. And then you just let go. Okay, so when I'm ready to pull it off, I like to place my hand on the client's forehead. Get these two fingers, index and thumb finger, ready, because after I pull it out, it's going to be able to apply quick pressure. So let me adjust this so you guys can see. Grip it real good. Tell the client, relax, pull, and pressure. You see how quick the pressure happened? Okay, and as you can see, we definitely got hairs out, baby. You already know. Now we're going to do the other side. Same step, guys. Twirl, 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 up, down, and a pinch. And then let go. Okay, so we're going to do the same steps, guys. Grip, pull, pressure. You guys see that? Definitely getting some nostril hairs. Let me show you guys how I do the cleanups. So typically, I just put a little wax, just like that, on one side of the stick. And my cleanup strip just happens right up here at the top. Usually that's where there's still hair lingering. And we can go ahead and do both sides. Okay, so just like that, the client can still breathe because it's not all in her nose, just on the top part. Just pull, pull, and you'll get a little stragglies. Look at that. Especially this one right here. And that's it. You don't have to do anything, guys. She's all done.